Welcome back to Heavy Duty Live, guys. So I'm back with a new one. I know you guys must say you haven't seen me for a long time, but don't worry, I'm here. I'm back. So I had a trouble with my toe. I had a bad toenail and I just had to go do a surgery on it. So because of that, I couldn't be hopping in and out of the machine to to film it. So I have a little courage today to stick back my foot in a safety boot. So we're back on it. So we're on a new job, quite exciting. I know you're gonna love it. It comes with a beautiful view again. So just peep the B-rolls and let me explain it to you. So let's go. Guys, so fast and nasty explanation. So this is the job. As you can see, we're on a slope. Oh, this is a very nice spot to own one of these villas. Like, trust me, there's already a few there and they're amazing. Browse it up. Waimaro Villas, Turks and Caicos. So yeah, back to the job. So let me explain what I'm doing or what they want. Another operator already come in and make some cuts, and like the guys forget to include everything that they want. So what they want this piece cut out down to that level, and they want it to come back here and cut straight up, going back to the machine. And they want all of these steps to cut out into one level. I think it's this level, and it's gonna cut going straight up. They're putting a pump room here, they say, so it's gonna just pour and backfill, so it don't have to be pretty. So that's it for the job. We get drone today, the 330 Hitachi again, and guess what? No AC again. So we gotta work in the heat today, but hopefully I get some breeze. Around here, so it wouldn't be too hot. Just enjoy that view with me. So as soon as the guy finishes, I'm gonna get started and let's get into this. this is what the job looked like. Take a good look at it. Enjoy the view as well. Beautiful, right? So that's it for the day. It's not looking good, not to my likeness, but when you have somebody working behind you and just showing you the thumbs up, okay, good, leave it like that, it's okay. I guess that's all you can do, you know. Comment in the comment section, give the people what they want, where the guy needs twist on it. Alright, tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna come and wrap it up. Man, it was exhausting, it was hot, humid. It was just a difficult day. You don't hear me saying that a lot, but yeah, you see, I had to take off my shirt. Like I said, the machine don't have no AC, and it was just challenging, man. But anyway, until tomorrow, that's it for the day, guys. Guys, welcome back. It's a new day. I'm back on the job, I'm back on the grind, and oh, it's just been a disaster. The job just turned into one big fat rush. So I'm trying to get it done quick as possible for them, because apparently what happened, they dig the house footing, they dig the pool, and they forget about the pump room. So this is just, I don't know, I don't wanna be judgmental or whatever, but to me, they're not working smart. Anyway, who am I? But yeah, so I'm trying to wrap it up. I'll try to just stick the camera somewhere and get these last bits, because I come and I'm so rushed that, you know, I can't make this video the way I wanted to, you know, get angles for you guys to catch the views and so. But let me continue. So guys, this is how far we there. The wind is terrible today. The weather is terrible. So this is how far I'm at right now. So let me wrap it up and show you guys how we do it. Fast and nasty.
Place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that's take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to day when we weren't alone.
So this is what the job looks like, guys. Like I said earlier, the job turned out to be a rush job, so I had to push on it so that the guys could prepare for the concrete pretty soon. So with that being said, they really didn't care about if the job looked pretty or not. All they wanted, it was for it to finish. And because they were rushing, we end up making some mistakes with the level, causing me to revisit where I had already digged. So because of the way the job is, when it's dig and I track back, it's very hard to go forward again. It's a job for a one-time cut. So because of that, the job looks a bit rough. But I did my best for them and they are satisfied. So with that being said, the tip of the day is, if you are behind time, still take the time to make sure your work is correct, or you will still have to work twice to get it done. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe. It will really help my videos to get to more people. So see you in the next video, guys.